Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Cooking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Indian dessert, Sabudana Kheer. It's a delicious creamy sago pudding that's perfect for any occasion. Here's what you'll need: 250 grams of sabudana, a handful of cashews, raisins, and almonds, a small bowl of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 liter of milk. Let's begin by heating up the milk. I'm going to bring it to a boil while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. In a separate pan, we are going to heat some ghee and add in the sabudana. Fry it gently for another minute. This step helps reduce the stickiness of the sabudana, keeping the grains separate. Once done, set the sabudana aside. In the same pan, we are going to add a little more ghee. And toss in our dry fruits, cashews, raisins, and almonds. Fry them for a minute or two and then transfer them to a small bowl to cool. Once they've cooled down, go ahead and chop the almonds and cashews into smaller pieces. The milk should have been simmering for another 10 minutes. It's time to add in our fried sabudana. Remember, this part is crucial. Make sure to keep stirring the milk and sabudana constantly. This prevents the mixture from clumping together. Let this cook for about 15 minutes. You'll know the sabudana is cooked when it floats to the surface. At this stage, we are going to add the sugar. Stir it in and let the kheer cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved. It's time to bring everything together. Add the chopped dry fruits to the milk and sabudana mixture and stir it in well. Let it all simmer together for another 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt beautifully. Finally, we'll add in our cardamom powder, giving the kheer its signature fragrance. Stir for another 2 to 3 minutes and then our Sabudana Kheer is ready to serve. Take it out of the heat and serve it in a bowl. For a beautiful presentation, top it with a few more dry fruits. And there you have it, rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious Sabudana Kheer. Perfect as a warm dessert or even chilled for later. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!